Hi, now we're going to work on dividing fractions. I'm going to start by drawing some pictures for you because I want to show you why the numbers work the way they do. But then I'm going to show you how to compute it with just calculations because it's definitely easier to solve these problems with numbers than it is drawing pictures. But I do want to draw the pictures first to show you why these ways work. So in our first example, we're going to take half a pizza. So we have half a pizza and we're going to share it with 3 friends. So we're going to divide it by 3. We want to know how much of a pizza each friend gets. Here's my half a pizza. I'm going to divide it among 3 friends. 1, 2, 3. And so each friend will get 1 piece. Now the question is, what fraction of the pizza is that? So I'm just going to draw my lines and extend them. And we see that each friend got 1 out of 6 pieces. So each friend got 1/6 of a pizza. I'm going to leave that up there because I'm going to show you the shortcut trick to solve it in a minute, but I want you to be able to keep seeing the picture. Down here we have 3/4 of a pizza. 3/4. We're going to take these 3/4 of the pizza and I want to share it among 2 friends. So we're going to divide it by 2 people. And I want to know how much each person's going to get. So out of this slice, if 2 people share it, 1 person's going to get 1 of those slices. If they split that one, each person will get that much. If they split this piece, each person will get that much. Now, we need equal sizes if we're going to actually make it a fraction. This one's so much bigger, I need to draw a line just so I have equal sized pieces. So if I took that 3/4 of a pizza and I shared it with 2 people, each one of them will get 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 out of 8, or 3/8 of a pizza. So right now, I want to look at the shortcut method. Now the shortcut method of solving this, I call it the KCF, keep, change, flip. Here's my rule, keep, change, flip. You keep the first number. I keep 1/2. I change the sign. Divide changes to times. And I flip the last number. Remember 3 is the same thing as 3/1. I flip it. I get 1/3. So to solve it, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 1/6 is my answer. That's exactly what we got when we drew the picture. Alright, let's look at our next one. Again, that rule was keep, change, flip. So I keep the first number, 3/4. I change the sign, and I flip the last number. Remember 2 is 2/1. I flip that. I get 1/2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 2 is 8. I get 3/8, which is exactly what I got when I drew the picture. So let's try a few more. Now that you see that using the keep, change, flip method works, I want to practice some without drawing pictures, just using that method. So we're going to try this problem. 4 divided by 2/3. Now remember, the rule is keep, change, flip. We always keep the first number. My first number is 4. We have to keep the first number. So this time we're going to keep 4, change the sign, and flip the last number. Remember 4 is the same thing as 4/1. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. That's an improper fraction. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Alright, let's look at another one. Let's look at 6 divided by 1/4. Okay, again, remember, keep, change, flip. You keep the first number. Always keep the first number. So we're going to keep 6. I'm actually going to make it 6/1, but that's still 6. Keep the first number, change the sign, flip the last number. Notice 1/4 flips to be 4/1. And that gives us 24/1. If you remember that rule, keep, change, flip, you're going to be doing great. Let's try one last one. 2/3 divided by 5. Okay, think in your head, what was that rule? Keep, change, flip. No matter whether the fractions first or the whole numbers first, it doesn't matter. Always keep the first number. So we're going to keep the 2/3. We're going to change the sign. And we're always, always, always going to flip the last number when we divide. 5 is 5 over 1, so it's now 1 over 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 2/15. You're going to divide fractions fine if you remember keep, change, flip. Keep the first number, you flip the second. All right, go do your handout.